What do Ekrepairs of East Kilbride fix? Smartphone screen replacement, iPhone screen replacement, Samsung screen replacement, iPad screen replacement, Huawei screen replacement, laptop screen replacement, iPhone battery replacement, Samsung battery replacement, iPad battery replacement, Huawei battery replacement, laptop battery replacement, charging port repair or lightning connector repair, home button repair. Water damage, £15 testing surcharge applies. Console repair. YLOD and other PlayStation errors. Disk errors on consoles and PCs, Nintendo Wii and Xbox fixes. All iPhone models. All Samsung models. All Huawei models. All LG models. All HTC models. All Google Pixel models. All iPad models. Any smartphones and tablets. Laptop PC repair. Desktop computer repair. PlayStation console repair. Xbox console repair. Any Nintendo Wii console. Nintendo Switch console. If you need help fixing any of these gadgets, then come on down to Ekrepairs, 18 Whin Place, East Kilbride, G74 3XS. Telephone 01355 222438. www.ekrepairs.co.uk